Now, China resorted to pointing fingers at India soon after Rajnath's hard talk in Rajya Sabha. Responding to questions on disengagement, Chinese Foreign Ministry claimed that PLA is abiding by the agreement reached between the two sides in Moscow on September 4th. In fact, the Chinese government blamed India, saying it must immediately correct its mistakes and ensure disengagement to ease tensions. India, time and again, has exposed Chinese build-up along the line of actual control, which breaches numerous border understandings. In fact, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh had met his Chinese counterpart in Moscow on September 4th. Both sides had come to a 5-point consensus to honour border pacts and ease tensions. Talks between military officials and of two countries have now achieved little since deadly Galwan clashes in June. Geeta Mohan joining us live for more details on that. Geeta, take us through reactions coming in from China, saying that China has been abiding by what the meeting, the decision from the meeting in Moscow. China has been abiding by it. PLA troops are following that decision. But India has been attempting to push and intrude. China's typical behavior, blame it on India.
Well, that's right. The statement from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Beijing comes after the statements made by Rajnath Singh on the floor of the House in Parliament. And clearly what the Chinese Foreign Ministry and the Chinese administration are trying to state is, one, pinning the blame again on India, on being the provocateurs, which is not the case. And secondly, saying that if there needs to be forward movement, there has to be consensus in the ground situation. And it is imperative, apparently, according to China, for India to start disengaging and to look at de-escalation. But the fact is that it is Chinese troops who are sitting on the Indian side of the LAC, and they are the provocators who will have to go back. India has made that very clear time and again. But specifically, Nabila, to a question on what the timeline looks like for talks between the two countries, the Foreign Ministry of China had nothing to say, which just means that that the stands have been hardened on both fronts, and it doesn't seem like there is going to be any military level meeting at this point in time, or a commander level meeting, which was instructed at the political level after the foreign minister level talks.
Right. Geeta, thank you very much for joining us with those.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.